What's up, guys? We're back at NVS Audio, and it is literally like 98 degrees, steaming out today. But I'm going to show you guys what Carlos is going to be doing on the bike. Let me clean the lens here a little bit. I'm going to show you what he's got going on, what he's going to be starting on, and I'm so excited. Couple days, I'll have the bike back ready for Sturgis. How you doing? What's going on, John? How are you, LJ? How you doing? How are you, buddy? John, how you doing? How you doing? John, how are you? Nice to meet you. Oh, thanks. How you doing? How are you? All apart. Holy cow, it is totally apart. Oh my God. Holy shit. It's like spaghetti. Oh my God.
Bad places, misspent youth, all those type of phrases. But the reality is, it's just ordinary blokes.
That is friggin' insane. Holy cow. Look at the back. that is for the light cannons. That's what they tell you to do to get that power off of the light cannons. It's switched off the high beam. It's the high beam power.
Got it. Okay.
Yep, yep. Chris. So Chris is actually going to be cutting the holes in the saddlebag so the air, and the holes are so the speaker breathes, right? Okay. So he's going to be cutting both holes in both saddlebags, and we'll show you guys how they do that. And this amazing shop. We've got materials. This is where they build boxes, I guess, and all of that. Amazing, amazing place. Got it all. It's almost like a wood shop. It's gonna be cutting holes in my bags. For those of you that, some of you guys said, oh, you know, don't let them cut holes in your bags. It's not an issue because once, if you remove the subwoofers, they actually have plates, block off plates, that would prevent any water coming into the bag. So they do have plates for that if you have to take the subwoofer out. But you have to have the hole in there, otherwise the speaker just doesn't breathe. We got Chris over here, right? What's up, Chris? You gonna put the holes in the bags?
Yeah, that's for the, get at the base for the subwoofer.
Yeah.
So now I put the tape with that one, so Marte, when I made a hole, I cut it, and still over there. So after that, we're going to put it that part in both back, on the right and the left. So first of all, I'm going to make the hole.
Nice. And this hole is so you could see the speaker or so it could move?
Yeah, you can see the speaker. Because of that kit, you can remove or you can, it depends on you. If you want to use the base, you put it the subwoofer or
Got
remove.
you.
When you want to remove that one, you can cover with this one.
With the block off plate?
Yeah, with the block plate.
Okay,
so
gotcha.
you can cover that one.
Nice.
So when you use that one, just take that one, the cover. So,
and then you have to make another hole somewhere
yeah,
or no?
over there, that is for the connector because the arm is going to be located in that position.
Oh, I see,
So
okay.
that hole over there is for the connection for that wires. Let me show you.
This one?
Now this is the template. No, that is not the wire. This is the template.
Gotcha.
Over there. So that is the code we have to put it. Because the arms is going to locate it like that.
Okay.
And that is going to.
Oh, I see, okay.
So,
waterproof connection,
yeah,
got you,
we have to do that one both back.
Awesome.
The right and the left.
Cool.
One of them you only have one connector, the other one have two.
Okay, great. Oh, got you, okay. Because only one bag will have the amp, right?
No, 2 bags.
Oh, 1 amp in each bag?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So it depends the system, no, because another bike, because I did the Harley Davidson with the factory amp, one half on the front, the another one was in the back. For that reason, just on one side you only have. But it depends what system come in the bike. We usually do. You maybe remove one from here, one from the another bar.
I see.
It depends how many speakers, what is the system, the
Yeah.
audio system you have over there.
Cool.
I'm so sorry about my English.
No, let me tell you, how long you been in America?
Just 4 years.
4 years in America. You speak fantastic. Just keep up the good work. Hard worker, 6 days a week, right?
Yeah.
Hard worker, 6 days a week.
Thank you. That hole is for for use the tool for core for the yeast.
What do you use, like a jigsaw?
Yeah. I'm going to see what is the right tool for core this one.
I got you.
The another hole is for the
Oh, I see. Okay.
For holding that one.
Okay.
You have a double side tape, but
And then you're gonna bolt it from the other side?
Bolt from inside to outside.
Nice.
So that is the reason why we made a hole over there. And we have to repeat that process with another bar.
Gotcha, okay. I know you guys are probably cringing watching Chris drill holes in my bag in this expensive paint job, but it's gotta be done. Shop is amazing. He has a lot of like high-tech tools here to, you guys build these, like the speaker boxes here, right, and everything?
Yeah, but that is my co-worker, Jairo.
Oh, yeah?
He do the band hole, he built the entire, I lose the word, but he built the entire car, the Lexus over there. That's
Yeah, I seen it.
amazing.
Yeah, I
That
seen
one
it. Yeah,
is
beautiful.
I can do that one.
I gotcha.
But I imagine it, because everything has...
So he does all the woodwork, puts the vinyl on and all that, right? You got all the different colors here. Cool.
For, give a good quality job,
Yeah.
I invest a lot of money in that one.
Yeah.
Even, it's not just about the money, about the knowledge everything. So like so many times I have a question and say, Chris, you on that one? No. So go investigate. The
Nice.
other day give me the answer. So I go to
Nice.
my house, start to study,
Yeah, yeah.
Because if the customer come, he make me a question I can answer, that's embarrassing.
Well, no.
So
All right, so now you're gonna cut a hole in it?
Yeah.
All right.
So we can check if after that we have to fit this one. So maybe we have to do some adjustment for that fit good.
Gotcha. All right, so Chris cut the hole in the bag. And now he's gonna be just smoothing out the edges, and then he's gonna work on the hole right there. All right, so Chris cut the hole out and you got the cover on, right? Back plate on.
That's like loose
Nice.
That loop when I use the subwoofer. When I take the subwoofer out, we can use the subwoofer.
Oh, then you put the, okay. Cool. So I could actually take these Rockford Fosgate subwoofers out, like Chris just said, and then I just use that block off plate to cover it up, right? So no water gets in.
Yeah.
Cool. Now he's gonna be making the hole for the wiring harness for the connection. What's that?
That loop when you put the cover.
Nice, nice and clean.
It's easy to remove.
Good job, really
For
nice.
the long tree, when I use the subwoofer, you need
just
to
pull
take
it
the
out,
bar,
right?
just pull it out, because everything is plug and plug.
Plug and play, right? Nice. Beautiful. Looks awesome. And
Mr. Wonderful.
Mr. Wonderful, all right. Wow. Holy cow. Amazing. And when did you have all this done?
When or where?
When?
So this design, yeah, I designed this 2 years ago.
Uh-huh.
Sat down with Carlos, we went over my design, he implemented, I tuned it, ready to go.
Wow. Nice.
Oh yeah.
Whew, it is hot over here. Wow, so you got what, total of what, 4, 8? How many speakers you got?
8-inch mid bass, 8-inch mid range,
Subs in the bag?
secrets in the bag. Secrets in the bag.
Oh, he doesn't want to tell us. Bring it to shows or contests? Mm-hmm. Yeah, you do,
There's
huh?
a competition bike.
Oh, is it really? Wow. Yeah, how do you do? Win?
Oh,
Yeah?
even when I lose, I do well. Win or lose, you're gonna know I was there.
That's right. Nice. Sweet bike, man. So tell me, what's louder, the exhaust or the
Oh, the
system?
stereo system, way
Stereo system, right?
Way louder.
Nice.
Yeah.
Crazy. I can't wait. I can't wait to get mine done. All right, so now you're going to drill the hole.
Yeah, follow the instruction because that connector for the amplifier we have 6 holes. We have to hold. So
Okay.
now we drill that hole. Follow the instruction.
But this bag, you're only drilling 1 hole?
And
Or
that one?
2? Yeah, just
No,
1
it's
on this bag or
it's
2?
That is going to in this bag.
Oh, I see,
So
I
I
see.
have 2 connectors.
I see.
It's the same thing in another bag because in so many CBOs it's only 1 amp in one side. For that reason, it's just 1 on the top. It's no another hole on the bag.
Oh, I see, okay.
And you buy, we have to use 2 amp, 1 in inside.
1
For
in
that
each
reason,
bag, got you,
And
okay.
the right side is 2 connectors, and the left side is 2 connectors too.
Oh,
We
okay.
have to
Okay.
follow the same instruction for the another.
I understand. Okay, great.
So we continue to make the hole. We can remove that one. Okay, we can work like that. So that is the right tool for the big hole over there. So when you buy the kit, you can only read the instruction, follow the instruction, use the right tool. It's going to be easy.
Right.
So now be sure you can use first hole is already done. Now we have to remove it.
Now you're gonna put the plate on, right, for the harness?
Yeah, like that.
Nice.
You can see it's in the right position. We can put the screw first with the behind, so it's going to be straight. Now, I should tie this one. So now we can see inside how it looks.
Oh yeah, nice.
So they have the cover. The harness is going to be right there because the arm is going to be mounted over
Amplifier on the back
there.
wall.
I'm going to show you quick how we put the arm over there. So that kit for the arm have the bracket is holded with
Double side tape.
That double side thing is very strong.
Very strong.
And the I usually do the opposite way. That on the CBO where I have to remove that part for the A. So I bend that bracket for take care of this one. For that reason I know
that's how strong it is, right?
So that is the position is like that. Here.
I see it. Okay.
So
Then you mount the amplifier to that bracket.
yeah, because hold over there.
Gotcha.
So we have the cover. Finally there is some cover, so you can see the That's a beautiful
Nice.
over there.
Cool.
Anyway, and for that bike, we have to put the subwoofer enclosure over there. We can see this one better.
Yeah, right.
So,
Gotcha.
that is the complete set. That is the way you have to do for that one. May code the template for the hole for the base, to get the base. The another is for the connector, and that's it.
Nice.
The bar is already done. In another video, we're going to show how to put the
Bag lids on.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Chris. Appreciate your help.
Thank you so much.
And we'll see you next time.
Again, sorry about my English. I try to.
No, man, you.
I'm very nervous, you know.
Nah.
It's easy for me when I just put in my air.
This guy's a master. Look how beautiful. Great job. You speak very good English, so don't worry about it. You're doing a great job, Chris. Appreciate you. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Okay.